Hi, I'm Carmel, Senior Designer at GIA Renovations. This is my Elwood project. In this project, we completed a kitchen, laundry, powder room and bar renovation in an existing home. When I entered this space, the first thing that struck out to me was that we had a light-filled room with no energy in it. So we put a full colour palette behind that in this kitchen design. I've used tough surfaces because we have a family of 3 children who need to utilise this space daily, and it needs to stay looking like this for a very long time. We selected finishes like the decked-in bench top behind me and a durable terrazzo top, which I've intertwined together to give some personality in the space. I also have custom-made legs for this beautiful table addition to the island bench, which allows versatility when you're using and also sitting up at the table. As this kitchen is in Melbourne, coffee is one of the main ingredients to the home. So we thought we would let it shine and created this very niche coffee corner so that it could be used and celebrated. And nestled next to it is a functional appliance space, which I've put customed internals in, which we've done in a beautiful peach colour, which you can see sort of highlight through the kitchen. The range hood, which we've done in a metal coat finish, is just the core of bringing it all together. It ties in with the Astral Walker tapware in that beautiful bronze and the matching ABI sink as well. In the corner of the kitchen, nestled to the side, is a beautiful bar space, which we've really gone all out in. I have Low & Co handles, double bullnose terrazzo, bronze mirror, our LED light strips that really let it shine, and I've framed it all in a beautiful ball design, which we've done in a 2-pack to match in with the laminate. The laundry was my favourite space, mostly because of the floor tiles. For this, I selected a palette of 3 colours, and then I did a random floor lay to sort of let them be fun, joyful, energetic in the room. Wrapping them up the kicker so that the floor space feels wider, and as it's a view from the kitchen, it was really important to get that detail right. We used the same bench top in the laundry as well, which makes it durable and warm. This custom floor lay was also translated through into the powder room, which was a nice little nook off the side of the laundry. I really loved making this project come to life. I think it's one of the highlights of the year for me for 2025.